Perfect.
Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Abarth. And in today's video, I just got my trays in. And what I mean by trays, I mean these actual trays that you put food on. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to use these to drift the Fiat, which is out there somewhere. Oh, you can see the ass right there. But I've heard things about these trays. I heard that they do melt pretty quickly and then you get some flat spots on the tires. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use some instant adhesive super glue some on, maybe throw a metal plate on top just to be safe on my tires, because I do got some expensive ass tires on. But I'm gonna go ahead and glue 3, stack them on together like so, glue them on, and then yeah, let's go take it out for a drift. I think I got a 12 pack or something like that. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and start gluing and then go ahead and start drifting. Alright, this is the super glue I'm using. I don't know, my dad brings it from work, so let's go ahead and give it a nice little. And once we're done drizzling on the glue, go ahead and stack this bad boy on. Press down for a couple seconds, and I hope that works. If not, let's go ahead and just stand on it. It'll probably be easier. Alrighty guys, so that did not work at all. Well guys, if that doesn't work, let's go ahead and use some Gorilla hot glue with this glue gun, and then just go to town on it. So let's go ahead and take off this one. Flip it this way so it won't stick to the hood of the truck. And now go ahead and hot glue it. So I will be using some leftover floor panel for the metal bedding on these drift plates right here. Alright, so those are all cut down. Let's go ahead and lay the hot glue, and this is Gorilla Glue. I don't know, that's enough, but let's just lay it down. Whoa. God damn. Alright, so I went ahead and put the second tray on. It looks like it's holding pretty good. So from here I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the job, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So here we have it. It's pretty heavy. So we got 3 layers of trays, and then in the first one you can see that gap. There's a layer of diamond shred metal, sheet metal. So hopefully this works. Let's go ahead and do the other one, and we'll go out drift it. Alrighty guys, so we found this beautiful spot right here. Try out the trays. So let's go ahead and toss them on back here. Like so. Yo, I don't even know if the camera caught that, but I mean, shit. I gave out. I'll leave a mess. The trays, the glue didn't hold on, but oh, it melted it for sure. Oh, that shit's hot. Let me grab this thing. That was pretty sick though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's all melted. Damn. Pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. What'd you think about that?
That shit was so sick, dude. That shit slid. I don't know, that shit was slid like easy. You know, that shit was pretty scary.
Alrighty guys, we found spot number 2. Yeah. There goes the fucking trays, man.
What's that shit? Dude.
That shit was too fucking clean, dude.
God damn.
Oh shit, we're lucky.
Look at this shit.
Well, anyways, guys, thank y'all for tuning in once again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But we are actually on our way fishing. So, what are we catching today?
I'm gonna go catch some chicks. I'm
Hell
going to
yeah.
the mall today with the fishing pole.
The only thing you're gonna catch is a case of crabs, my bro. Alrighty, guys. Well, anyways, thank y'all for tuning in once again, and I'm out.